Google has introduced a new Japan-exclusive version of the Pixel 10a called the Isai Blue Edition. The release marks the 10th anniversary of the Pixel lineup and brings a design collaboration with Heralbony, a company known for promoting diverse artistic expression. The device is now available for pre-order in Japan and will go on sale starting May 20th. Unlike the standard Pixel 10a colors such as lavender, berry, fog, and obsidian, this variant focuses on a concept rather than nature-inspired tones. The name, Isai, translates to individuality. The blue finish reflects Heralbony's corporate identity and its message of embracing uniqueness. The design extends beyond the exterior, combining hardware, accessories, and software elements. On the software side, the device uses Google's Material You system to integrate artwork into the user interface. The Isai Blue Edition includes 3 themed design sets created by Heralbony artists Shigaku Mizukami, Midori Kudo, and Kaoru Iga. Users can select from 9 wallpapers, and the system automatically adjusts app icons and color schemes to match the chosen design. The customization continues with physical accessories. The box includes a set of original stickers designed by Nozomi Fujita, featuring letters and motifs inspired by the Pixel brand. A color-matched bumper case is also included. This frame-style case protects the sides while leaving the back visible, allowing users to showcase the blue finish and applied stickers. In terms of build, the Pixel 10a introduces improved front glass durability compared to the Pixel 9a. It also adopts a completely flat rear camera layout, removing protrusions to reduce the risk of scratches and damage from drops. The packaging reflects the collaboration as well. The box sleeve features artwork by Midori Kudo, offering a visual preview of the partnership. The Pixel 10a Isai Blue Edition is priced at 94,900 yen and is available in a single 256GB configuration.